Complimentary chamomile tea. Clears the mind, calms the heart.
Mukha ba akong hindi kalmado?
Hindi naman po, miss. Napansin ko lang na medyo mukha kayong stressed na stressed.
Haggard ako.
Hindi. Cute mo nga eh.
Ha?
I mean, may I? So, what I mean is, madalas kitang makita dito. And every time na nakikita kita, seems to me na may binibisita kang someone sa nearby cemetery.
Stalker ka ba?
Sabi naman si stalker. Hindi ako stalker. Lagi lang ako nandito. And I love observing people. Kung happy ba sila. Kung malungkot. And now, I see na pinagdadaanan ka. Heartbreak?
Okay pala tong cafe na to. May free chamomile tea na, may free counseling pa.
Oh. Well, I'm sorry if I came across as intrusive. By the way, I am Javier. Javier Mendoza.
Noreen.
So, tama ba yung hula ko na nanggagaling ka sa cemetery?
Binisita ko yung ate Helena ko.
You know, ako rin may binibisita sa sementeryo. Si Kuya Sander. He passed away 2 years ago. Na-involve siya sa road rage incident.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
It's okay. Actually, siya yung may-ari ng cafe na to. And siya rin yung nagpangalan ng Cup of Happiness. Yung version kasi ni Kuya was to help relieve everyone's pain with every cup.
Napaka-noble naman pala ng kuya mo. Natupad ba yung mission mo?
Well, not all the time. When my kuya passed away, nahirapan talaga ako mag-recover. So, I drowned myself in work. Went out partying. A lot of girls. Beautiful girls. Kaya alam mo na yun. Hindi naman kasi nag-work yung mga ganun.
Pero mukhang okay ka naman ngayon.
You mean, I look good? Yun ba?
Fine. Oh, you look good. You look at peace.
Peace. Well, akala ko, sabi mo cute ako. Pwede naman ah. Sabi mo, I look good. But okay, seriously, what really helped me was to commune with nature. Getting lost in the middle of the forest, surrounding myself with the forces of nature. And that's when I realized I'm life. There are other forces bigger than us. Bigger than our problems. And that's when I started to heal.
Buti nakapag-heal ka na.
Ikaw,
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung kaya kong mag-heal. Natatakot kasi ako. Natatakot ako na baka pag hindi na ako nasasaktan, na wala na yung ate ko. Kalimutan ko siya. Sorry.
it's okay. Sino ba nagsabing hindi ka na masasaktan kapag healed ka na? Grief will always be there. But grief can also be our friend. May hiking trip ako soon. When you're ready, gusto mong sumama.